the JAR system for money management and financial freedom. Managing money is difficult without proper planning. We will explain you a simple, money management method, called 6 Jars Money Management System. In 6 Jars system, you split your monthly income into 6 jars with some percentage. First is the Necessities Jar. It holds 50 to 55% of your monthly income to manage your everyday expenses. Everyday expenses include rent, debt, food, clothes, gas, etc. Second jar is Financial Freedom Jar, which holds 10% of your income. You use this amount for investment and building passive income streams like in stocks, mutual funds, real estate investment. You are never allowed to spend this money. Never. Until financially free and don't need to work to meet expenses. Third jar is Education Jar, which holds 10% of your income. Educate yourself and make yourself better, by reading books, taking online courses or learning new languages. Tuition fees must come out of the Necessities Jar, not the Education Jar. It's only for learning new skills. Fourth jar is Fun or Play Jar, holding 10%. Money in Fun Jar you use to have fun. Use this money for everything your heart desires. Outdoor lunch or dinner with family, massage, road trip with friends. Fifth jar is for long-term savings for spending. It's 10% of your income. This money is for bigger purchases. It's like Play Jar, but for things that are more expensive and take a bit longer time to save money. For buying a new car, wedding or vacations. It's also helpful in case of unexpected medical emergency. Sixth and last jar is Give Jar, which holds remaining 5 to 10% of your income. This money is to do some good things. Buy some food for homeless on weekend or help us some other way. You may also donate to charities. Teach your children to manage money using this JAR system. They can learn to save money for toys, birthday party, and donations. Due to past mismanagement, it feels difficult to follow at start. But it's better to start following this system with small portion of your monthly income. In few months you will be able to discipline yourself and start getting benefits of this 6 JAR system. If you liked his video and wants to get more videos like this, you may subscribe our YouTube channels and like our Facebook page. Women-magazine.park. Thanks for watching and good luck.